Is your security or network software crashing because of the libssl32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we look at the manual steps for libssl32, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the libssl32, a legacy OpenSSL Secure Sockets Layer library. It provides unmanaged routines for SSL and TLS handshakes, facilitating the secure data link manifest for network communication. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like libssl32.dll. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with libssl32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Most individual downloads of libssl32.dll are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to libssl32. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got libssl32 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.